Hey, Peter, just thought I'd check on you. Oh, my God! Government came and took my baby!
Peter, you want some potatoes?
Yeah, how you doing?
I was just asking if you wanted...
We got enough napkins? Yeah, we got enough napkins. That's enough. That's enough right there. What time is it? Is this straight? Is this straight right there? Wait, see, I'll fix it. No, is this straight? I can't... Meg, sweep that up. Just get a broom, sweep that up. Sweep that up. Put it in your room, but sweep it up first. Right, so I got some crystal meth. I figured we could do it together as father and son.
I don't know about that.
Tell you what, I'll get us started. That feels better.
You sure that stuff is okay?
All I know is the guys who made it are dead. I ain't seen no hole in this wall. You know, this thing is bugging me. All right, I'm gonna take a hike.
A-Town. Yeah. Okay.